Right, we'll see if we can assemble this now. I need to clean it up a little bit. There's a few little bits sticking out. And I've probably got to make the gaps a little bit bigger. Just try a couple of them together, see what they look like. Well, they might go together. Right, okay. I'm going to go and have a little look at the picture first, see if I can work out how it goes together. Right, I've looked at the picture, so we'll see how we get on. This is the first piece. Try and keep this in focus. It's got to go in there. Probably should have trimmed that one a little bit. Started off all right, but it started getting a bit tight. This could end up taking a long time if I have to do this with all of them. Right, so there we are, a fly. It caught my eye because it looked a bit like a horse fly to me with all that going on at the front of it. Yeah, job done. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.